In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive to upload a resume efficiently. Whether you're preparing for a job application, needing a copy online for easy access, or simply want to keep your resume safe, Google Drive is a fantastic tool to help you achieve this. The process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can do it smoothly. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll want to do that first. Once you're on the homepage of Google Drive, you'll notice a simple and clean interface where all your files and folders will be displayed. If it's your first time here, don't worry, the layout is designed to be user-friendly. Now look towards the upper left corner of the screen, you will see a button labeled New. This button is the gateway to adding new files or creating new documents within Google Drive. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click New, a drop-down menu will appear offering various options. Note that Google Drive allows you to not just upload files, but also create new folders, documents, spreadsheets, and slides directly. However, today our focus is on file uploading. Within this menu you should see an option that says File Upload. This is the option we'll be selecting today. Click on File Upload and a new window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer files. Here is where you can navigate to the location on your computer where your resume is saved. It could be on your desktop, in your documents folder, or perhaps a specific folder you've created just for job applications. Take a moment here to ensure you're selecting the right file because that's the one that will be uploaded. Once you've located your resume, click on it, then select Open. Google Drive will take care of the rest. You will see an upload progress window at the bottom right corner of the screen. This not only shows how quickly your file is being uploaded, but also confirms that the upload was successful once it's completed. Usually this process is very fast, especially if your file size is small like it typically is with resumes. Now your resume is safely uploaded to your Google Drive, readily accessible whenever you need it from any device with internet access. Don't forget, once your resume is on Google Drive, you can easily share it by right-clicking the file and selecting the Share option. This feature allows you to enter an email address to send your resume directly from Google Drive, making it convenient for job applications. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to uploading your resume to Google Drive. By following these steps, you've ensured your important documents are secure and accessible anytime. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.